Namaskar, Devaki Madhav. Pranayama must be learned through a guru only. It is advised to learn and practice Udgita Pranayama in the camp for proper and complete understanding, and then watch this video to reap maximum benefits and for scientific practicing. Request all of you to attend the free scientific camps for more scientific information and explanation about pranayamas. You can also read my book, The Scientific Pranayama, which provides complete information, in depth and explanation. Please text your message to WhatsApp number 944-940-6844 for more information. Before watching the Udgita Pranayama video, it's good to know a little about the subject. Udgita Pranayama is also called as Omkara Japa. In this pranayama, Om is chanted during exhalation. It is a simple practice in pranayama process. The Sanskrit term Udgita means singing out louder. It is the process of inhaling deeply from inside and chanting Om in a louder voice while exhaling. Udgita is the art of breathing consciously. Omkara is the natural vibrating sound that comes out from our throat without any friction. It takes us to the pre-meditative state of mind and serves as a prelude to meditation. This can be easily be practiced even by a child of 4 to 5 years of age. Let us see the benefits of Udgita Pranayama. It is good for depression, insomnia, poor memory and concentration, stress and brain-related problems. It's very effective for hypertension and kidney disorders. It helps to cure the nervous system related disorders, acidity, sleep and dreams. It relieves anger and anxiety. It calms the mind and brings stability. The sound vibration generated by chanting of Omkara helps in clearing the blocks inside our head and sinuses. It provides higher immunity and enhances self-healing power. It relaxes our mind and body. It makes the lungs efficient in expelling the carbon dioxide out of our body. Caution: pregnant women should refrain from practicing Udgita Pranayama. Let us have a look about the method. The vibration sound Om consists of 3 letters A-U-M. These 3 letters are combined as one word Om and chanted continuously in one single breath while exhaling. The chanting should begin with O followed by Ma. Our exhalation should be divided into 4 parts. The first 3 parts of chanting Om is used to produce the O sound, and the remaining 4th part is used to produce Ma. Time duration of exhalation is more than the time duration of inhalation. You need to take a deep breath through the nostrils until the lungs are filled with air. By pulling up the abdominal muscles rhythmically around the navel region and with a small opening in the center of the closed lips, exhale 3/4 of the breath as slow as possible by chanting Om. During this period, vibration around the navel area and the chest portion can be observed. After chanting "Oh," close your lips and exhale the remaining 1/4 of the breath by producing a humming sound through the nostrils. During this period, a vibration in the upper portion of the neck can be felt. Kindly repeat this for 21 times for better results. Thank you.